Hello and welcome back. My name is Darius Marks here at Huffman Honda, and today I'm going to be showing you the all-new 2025 Honda Civic Sport. Super nice car. This is a new color, Lagoon Pearl. On the Sport, it does have LED running lights. It's going to have a black mirror and it's going to have black rims. Super nice. It does come equipped in 2025 with the blind spot monitoring. It's an all-new feature for the 25 Sports. It has all the safety features. Great gas mileage on this vehicle. It's going to get about 34 miles per gallon on average. Great space in this vehicle, very reliable, sporty looking car. And the inside, you do have a push button start, remote start, and keyless entry. All the safety features you can want in all new 2025 Honda Civic. It does have capless fuel. Great gas mileage, 34 miles per gallon on this one. Great space in the trunk, and it does have a spare tire. On this vehicle, it has LED lights in the front and the back. Very safe, sporty looking vehicle. If you have any questions, come down to 1607 Greentree Blvd in Clarksville, Indiana, or just give us a call. We look forward to helping you. My name is Darius. Thank you so much.